In this quick guide, I'll show you how to reconcile your bank account in Zoho Books so your financial records stay accurate and up to date. Start by logging into Zoho Books and heading to the banking module from the left sidebar. Select the bank or credit card account you want to reconcile. At the top right, click the gear icon and choose Reconcile account. To open the reconciliation view, click Initiate Reconciliation and enter the start date, end date and the closing balance from your bank statement. Once ready, hit Start Reconciliation. Zoho Books will now show matched and unmatched transactions. Your task is to match transactions from your statement with those in Zoho. If you notice any missing entries like bank fees, click Add Transaction to include them. The goal is to have the difference between your cleared amount and the closing balance at 0. If adjustments are needed, use the edit icon next to the closing balance. You can also attach supporting documents like PDFs or receipts for better record keeping. Finally, click Reconcile to complete the process. If you need more time, choose Save and Reconcile later. And that's it. Following these steps makes bank reconciliation in Zoho Books simple, ensuring your accounts are accurate and well organized.